Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the freezer door gasket in a Maytag refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new freezer door gasket. This freezer door gasket provides the airtight seal preventing warm air from getting inside the compartment. A bad seal could cause the door to not close completely, a higher than normal temperature inside the compartment, and ice buildup on the interior. If you are experiencing any of these problems, check the freezer door gasket and replace it if needed. To get to the part, we need to open the freezer door. I'm going to use a flat blade screwdriver to pry out the old gasket. We can choose any place at all and slide it into this groove, and we can pry it out. And I'm going to put aside the screwdriver, and I'm going to continue pulling out the gasket all the way out. And now I'm going to take it off. This is the old freezer door gasket next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so we have here a new gasket and we're going to install it. As you can see, this ridge at the back of the gasket would be installed right into this groove. Before installation, make sure there's no grease or oil in the groove. If there is anything, wash it with the soap. Well, we're going to place the gasket over the door. We can call it a little cheating, but it's much better than taking the door off. We're going to start with installing the corners. I'm going to start with this one. Press it in. Now we're going to go to the opposite side and we're going to press this corner. And now we can install the gasket on the top. Just simply press it in. You will feel how it goes in. Now we're going to install this bottom corner. And now we can go up and push in the side. So here we're at the bottom of the opposite side. Same thing, we're going to install the corner and go up on the seal here. Press it in. And now we're going to install the bottom. Alright. Now I'm going to close the door and open the French doors. Well, we need to check how the gasket is working right now. Is it tight or not? As you can see, there's a gap here, but don't worry because we're going to fix it very easily. Press the door in hard and then run your finger here on the top of the gasket. Push it towards the cabinet. There you go. Then you can slowly pull the door out, slowly. That stretches the gasket. And close it again. And run your finger again. What you can also do, you can place some petroleum jelly on the surface of the gasket here, and then close the door and keep it closed for several hours. It will shape up the gasket. If this gap would be real large, you can use the heat gun or the blow dryer, whatever you have handy at your house, and you can heat up this gasket. Remember, I said heat up, not melt, and that will help the gasket to shape up. Now when we're done, we can close the doors. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.